Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a day in my life. So I was sleeping, as you guys probably see, and then I just wake up, get a good stretch in, and then usually, just like the rest of us, the first thing I do is go on my phone, and I usually just, reply to any Instagram messages I got, or reply to YouTube comments. And then I chug whatever water I had left on my bedside table from the night before. And then I gotta get started for the day. I always have to make my bed every morning because that is my YouTube background. And then here I was doing pin curls for a YouTube video, but they didn't fully dry overnight, so I just needed to run the blow dryer over them before I took those guys out. And then I'm just super tired and really contemplating life and thinking about everything I have to do for the day. And then I'm just brushing my teeth and washing my face, all that good stuff. And then I just filmed like 3 videos, and this is like the behind the scenes shot, I guess. Okay, so most of this video is going to be voiceover, but I just finished filming my videos for the day. So now I'm gonna essentially, I'm gonna go run some errands because it is Sunday and I need to get to the stores before it closes, and it's 5 o'clock and I have to get there before 6, so guess how I'm going in my full YouTube ensemble. I do that a lot of the time. So I just have to run to Ulta because I want to film 1 or 2 more videos today because I'm going out of town again tomorrow. So I have to get 4 videos done today. So I can have 4 up until Christmas. It's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me kind of vlog style on my errands, but I'm just gonna get dressed because it is raining and cold outside. And yeah. So, let me turn this down. I didn't rush, I didn't speed, but I was like anxious about being late to Ulta because it was like 5:30 when I left and they close at 6, and then I got here and I realized they have extended store hours for the holidays, so it's fine. Anyways, haven't eaten anything today, so I'll probably eat when I get back, but I'm gonna go inside and get all of the things that I need to finish filming today. Okay, bye. Okay, so just took some thumbnails. That's why I look a little different. I'm gonna look pretty different throughout the course of this video because that's just my life. But I just got back from Ulta, and I guess I'll just do like a little mini haul for you guys. Could be fun. I don't know. Why not? Okay, so I got some new shampoo and conditioner just to help manage the color of my hair. They're sulfate free. So I got some Pureology, and then I got, this one is like a blue toning, neutralizing mask / conditioner. So that's what I use for that. And then I got another hair mask. This one is just apple cider vinegar mask. I just really love the effects of apple cider vinegar. It's because I have hard water, and that kind of helps balance the pH of my hair and makes it really soft and manageable. So if you guys are having like frizzy hair issues, check the pH of your water, and you might have hard water, and doing apple cider vinegar rinses is really good for that. And then I just got some new makeup for the tutorial I'm about to film, which is kind of like snow bunny inspired makeup, like winter inspired makeup. I don't really know where I'm gonna go with it, but I know I want to make it really white, so that'll be fun. And then I just got some travel-sized face wash since I am traveling again tomorrow, and up until the 29th, I will be out of town. And I just, I bought this because I don't really need it, but I just thought it looked nice. And I'm a sucker for the last-minute checkout items at Ulta, so got some strawberry lip balm because, yes. So now I'm just gonna eat before I film another one. This piece of my hair got a little wet, so that's unfortunate. It's supposed to be like this, but it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some food because I haven't eaten anything, and it's like 6:30 now. So that's my life. But I'm really really busy, so that's just what happens. I forget to eat sometimes. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat, and I have some sushi that I picked up, and I'm probably gonna make mac and cheese as well because I'm really hungry. And then I'm gonna film that last video and finish filming this video, and then I'll probably start filming this video again. And I'll see you guys then. All right, bye-bye. Okay, so before I start filming again, I need to edit and upload a video before it's 10 o'clock because I keep posting my Vlogmas pictures or my Vlogmas videos at like 12 o'clock every night, and I want to get it up by reasonable time today so that it gets more views because, by the way, I'm still hungry, so I'm eating yogurt. I had sushi, mac and cheese, and yogurt for dinner. I'm disgusting. Whatever. So today I'm going to upload, I followed a 50s hair tutorial. So that's what I'm going to edit right now. And you guys can come along with me. Woohoo! I want a desktop. That's all I'm saying, essentially. I want a desktop computer because it's way too hard to try to move files around with my mouse pad, and it doesn't have enough storage for my videos. It's just like, it's getting to that point where I can tell like in the next year or two, I'm probably gonna need one, so that'll be the next big purchase. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. So we're just copying all the videos into a new folder because my goal this new year, is to keep an organized computer and an organized workspace because it is not my strong suit. Examples. So yeah, we're gonna try to fix that. It's probably not gonna go well, but I'm gonna try. I feel so like elegant, I guess is the word. All right, I'm gonna edit these videos now, so that's gonna be boring for you guys to watch. Bye. Okay, you guys, so my video's uploading, so now it's time to make a thumbnail. So fun. Fun fact, I just literally really hate editing videos so much. So much. It's fine though. So I'm gonna edit my thumbnail and I'll be back. So just finished filming, finally my last video of the day, aside from this one, but like my actual like tutorial video. So I filmed 3 today because I'm going out of town, which I'm probably sure I already mentioned, but I really like how it turned out. It looks really cool, especially like with my nails. Everything's just very Snow Princess Frosty. But yeah, now I'm essentially just gonna do the really boring part of my job, which is edit, and I already uploaded my video for today, so I don't need to do that, but I'm gonna just edit, organize all my files, upload the videos from my camera onto their proper files, and share them with my boyfriend, who sometimes helps me edit videos, and he's out of town right now, so I have to put it on the drive so that he can help me. And yeah, that's the really boring part, so I'm not gonna really be filming that, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I do, and when I'm done I will catch up with you guys for what's next. Okay, so hard work is done for the day. Not really. So as I mentioned, I am traveling, and I'm so exhausted because I just got back in town yesterday and then filmed 4 videos today. It's okay, I'm a girl on the go. So I'm gonna repack. I have to do all my laundry tonight from my last trip, so I'm gonna start doing my laundry now. And then I'm gonna pack, and yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and start my laundry, and that's what I'll be doing. Okay, so I'm finished packing, and I thought it would just be maybe interesting to show you guys a little bit of like how I pack, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I have my tiny little suitcase. It's so banged up from the airport and super old, but then I just have like all my undies, belts, scrunchies, and like any feminine products I need, like in the top little thing here. Then I have my 2 purses that I like to bring with me, and then my 2 favorite boots, and then I have all my pants / chunkier like vests and jackets folded up on this side, and then all of my shirts on this side and like thinner skirts. And then I put I always, if I'm driving like I am for this trip, I'll bring a couple hanging items. So like I just bring my leather jacket because it takes up so much room, and then I'm bringing this as well to pack because it's really hard to iron, and it just, you know, makes me not have to iron on my trip. And then I lastly just leave out like the outfit that I'm gonna wear for the next day. This, however, is not completed because I still have stuff in the wash. And then I just have like my carry-on bag where I'll put my makeup bag in here and my laptop and anything else that I need for the trip. And yeah, super easy. This is where the magic happens. It's so filthy right now. So I'm gonna do a fun little satisfying clean up time before I go out of town. And I'm gonna clean my whole desk because it needs it, so yeah. Okay, finished all my actual hard work. Now it's relaxation time. So I've officially done all my laundry. I've packed, I cleaned my whole room. I did all of my 4 YouTube videos, and I'm exhausted and I'm starving, and I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna heat up some tamales, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and fall asleep. And that's my life. So yeah. I don't know if I'll record it because I kind of just want to relax, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a day in my life, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it interesting. If you guys have any questions about like my film equipment or anything, comment down below if you'd like be interested in a video on that, because that could be fun. But yeah, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload. I'm exhausted and I'm just venting now. Okay, bye.